Hi y'all, today I am introducing to you my fried rice, my egg fried rice. It's gonna be a golden egg fried rice. If this is your first time, I'm Melanie and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So I have here about 2 cups of cooked rice and I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder because I love garlic. This is about a teaspoon or 2. I sprinkle a little bit of salt on here and about a half a teaspoon of sugar because we're going to fry this and we don't want a lot of sugar. It's gonna burn and it's not gonna be looking good. I'm also gonna add about a teaspoon of chicken powder, but if you're like a vegetarian, you can substitute for a mushroom powder. And give it a quick stir. This is not necessary, but I don't know, just me like to stir thing. Crack in here 3 eggs. 2, I think 2 will be good, but I love eggies. It's my children love eggs. We love eggs. We eat a lot of eggs. So 3 eggs go. Just crack them in there. A yolk and white and everything. Make sure you get every single drop of it, and give it a really a good mix to beat it up a little bit because the egg white and egg yolk egg white gooey, so sometimes you kind of have to beat it up and kind of stir it all around. Make sure all the rice is kind of separated and coated with this very eggy solution. I'm going to bring on a high heat on a pan here. Add a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm using canola oil. And there it goes. Just pour it all in. And keep stirring because when egg sits at one spot for a long time, I also turn it down to medium high. When egg sits at one spot for a long time, it tends to get a little brown at the bottom. So I keep stirred around to make sure the eggs are separated, and we're making fried rice instead of an rice egg cake. It's gonna sit and then it's form into a one single cake. So stir it up. As you can see, maybe like 5 minutes later, the eggs kind of dried up and separated out. And remember, don't cook this too long because the egg can be very dry when you cook too long. Keep stirring and move it around, and I think that is all I have. Just done. Pour it out on a plate. I love fried rice. We do a lot of fried rice, so this is one of my fried rice. But don't forget to check out my other fried rice. I have the hibachi fried rice. I have lobster fried rice. The fish fried rice is coming up. See, that is very simple. Just add a little bit of green onion for some contrast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this helpful. Share with someone who might like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Check out the playlist in the description down below. And subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.